Right now we are heading to the waterfalls. I forgot the name, guys. I'll keep you posted. So hard to keep track of the names of the places that we are going. The time now, it is 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'll flip the camera and show you that over there is still going and leading to the waterfalls. See that bridge over there? And today has been really hot and sunny day, and we only have until 3:10 in the afternoon before we go back to the bus. So right there, Shifen Waterfall. And this is the entrance, and I guess there will be more shops inside. Let's see what's in store for us here at Shifen Waterfall. Yep, more shops. See, there's fruits. I noticed a lot of watermelon here, mangoes, pineapple. We are passing by that bridge I just pointed out to you earlier. Right there. And guys, I'm doing this vertically so that you'll see the bridge. The bridge does shake. Yep, it's shaking. And it's creaking. It is swaying. Look at the movement. It is a long way down. Now guys, the trail might be a little uneven, so watch your step. There are these horses and dragons and deer right here. After you go past the bridge and go down from there are some food stalls here and drinks. And you'll be passing by this koi pond and over up there. Some more shops over here. We have finally made it down to the waterfalls area, and I'm just looking for a nice view so that I can show you a good view of the waterfalls. Now I'm heading towards this viewing deck, and I'll show you in a bit. Behold everyone, this is the Shifen Waterfall. It is also known as the Little Niagara of Taiwan. It has a height of 20 meters and a width of 40 meters, making it the broadest waterfall in Taiwan. Guys, the size of this apis in comparison with my hand, and this mango, it's not big, it's huge. Watermelon and pineapple. Here again at this wonky unstable bridge. friendly tip, whoever's gonna watch this, male or female, especially male, it's gonna be a sweaty, hot, humid tour. I mean, for us this time around, it is the month of July, and make sure to use deodorant. All right, you're welcome. Guys, result of the tour. Dual skin. Here's what we're doing right now. We're heading home. We just came from the Shuanglian station and we are walking towards our hotel that way. But instead of using the usual route that we take, which was right across the street from here, we're taking this side so that we'll have a different view or idea of the shops that are here. There's even a nice shop here with a queue. I think it's more of ice streets. Heading to our hotel, we came upon this. So there's 3 flavors: original, cheese, and coffee. So I believe this is the original. This is the coffee, because the coffee has some nuts in it, and obviously that is the cheese, because it's got cheese in the middle and some cheese bits on top. And in this shop, guys, it has a nice cake smell. So here it is, guys, the coffee cake. I don't know if it's a bun or slice. Looks really good. Let's try it. Give us a knife for it. Slice it. Has a nice cake texture. It's a big slice. Let's try it. It tastes like chiffon cake or like sponge cake. Really light flavor, and there's a hint of coffee flavor in it. I believe this goes well with coffee. The walnuts complements well with the flavor. We saw the cake shop because we took a different route going back to our hotel. Guys, right now we are already near our hotel, and that right there across is they're already preparing for the night market later. This is the Xingluan night market. I know I'll put the name of this night market later. That was cute. That was the end of our whole day tour here in Taipei, and yeah, it was definitely a efficient way to see some parts of Taiwan. It's pretty hot though during this time, July, so wear comfortable clothes, wear comfortable shoes, and don't forget your deodorant. And if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and click the like button. Share this video out there, leave a comment, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get updates whenever I post new videos. Guys, it really helps a lot if you do subscribe to my channel. Your favorite YouTuber will appreciate it as much as I do. And remember, life is not a straight line, but a zigzag.
Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, but always keep moving forward.